Hello friends, welcome. So in the previous video we worked with the input and we make a two data binding. So we update the name based on the input here and we display the name in the input. So if I change, it's going to update, and of course if when we refresh we see that name in here. In this video I'm going to work with the lists because here we displayed all the movies in the paragraph and we repeat the code for every movie, and if we have more than 3, if we have 1,000, we need to do the same thing. So how we can render list in the reactjs, because if we use vue.js we can say here easily just v4, we can make a loop here and display that list here, but we React, we need to use JavaScript only. So I'm going to use the map method, and let's add curly braces and say this dot state dot movies. Now movies is an array. Add the map method here, which need an array here, and in this map I'm going to add a callback. Now this callback method function is going to run for every movie. Okay, this is going to run to the first movie, to the second movie, and to the third movie. And if we have more, it's going to loop through them. So I'm going to add a movie name. Here you can add what name you want, but because we have movies, I added movie here. And I'm going to return, let's return here a h2 tag, and I'm going to say my favorite movie is, we cannot p tag, but I just to have more nice, I think. And here my movie is, and I'm going to add the movie name and also the movie year. And because we are inside the HTML, we need to add curly braces here. So single curly braces and say movie dot name. And of course, the same for the year. So let's say movie dot year. And now this is going to return the first one, is going to do the same thing for the second and for any movie we have here, because it's going to loop through all of them. Okay, so now if I remove the old data here and let's save this one, go back, you can see we have H2 with my favorite movie is Fast 9 and so on. And of course, if I change here, it's going to update. Good. Now this is how we can render a list with React. It's very easy. Now if I open the inspect elements in the console, we can see we have an error. So warning, each child in a list should have a unique key. We need to add a key to every list, to every child here, because the React, when we change something, right now we change this, but we change in the hard-coded way, we say the first one changed, but if we have a dynamic change, the React doesn't know what to change. So it's going to loop through and change altogether. So let's inspect this, and here we have H2, also the same thing here. So it's needed to have a unique key to this one. See, this is the first one, this is a second, and so on. For that is very easy. So in the h2 tag, we can say key, and the key now must be unique. We need to have a unique key. Right now we have only 3 names, 3 movies, and we can add so ID The first is 1. And add here movie.id, save, refresh again, and we no longer see now the error. Okay friends, that's it about this video. I hope you understand and hope you like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you in the next one. All the best.